Now I would like to finish explaining how you can save the clipboards, or in RadarOpus this is called the analysis, in a simple way, not using the patient file or using the patient file. And using the patient file has some advantages because you can easily use the disease classification labels and then analyze the case and see which symptoms belong to which category. So let me first quickly show you how you can save the clipboards or the analysis outside of the patient file. So let me take here 1, 2, 3 symptoms. And I can also take here a symptom in another clipboard. In RadarOpus, the whole set of clipboards is always saved at the same time. So it's never that you only save one clipboard. You always save the whole set of clipboards. Now, if you want to save this set of clipboards, or what's called the analysis, outside of the patient file in a simple way, you just right mouse click on it, select Save the Analysis, then you select here Save Current Analysis to a folder. Here you have 2 fields. One field to give it a name. That can be first name, last name, or last name, first name, or just a number. Or you can say, for example, seminar notes. It doesn't matter, it's quite simple. So let me do here John, and then big tree. And I have one field where I can make some notes. So I can say here depression, for example. And I click here on Save. Now, this set of clipboards is saved outside of the patient file in a separate folder, but still inside RadarOpus. To clear the clipboards, I do right mouse click and I say Clear all clipboards. If I want to recall this analysis, I do right mouse click, recall the analysis, then I select here again recall an analysis from a folder. I start to type John, and there it is. I double click on it or single click and click here on recall, and here are my symptoms back in the clipboards.